Hey friends, this is the Eufy Video Doorbell. It's a C30 model and it films in 2K. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install this. Here's a quick look at everything that's included. We have the main unit with a protective film on top. We have the brackets that hold it into place. We have a drill guide. This is for drilling into walls that need some dry anchors and the screws. And so there's your packet for that, as well as our recharging cable. This does not take regular batteries, which is great, meaning we can recharge it whenever this gets low on energy. Now, the only thing the quick start guide is good for is giving you a QR code so you can download the Eufy app. And it's inside this app, you can see we already have a couple of devices that are already set up and in place. And we're just gonna add a new device. You will have to sign in and create an account if you don't already have one. I'm gonna go ahead and click that plus button in the top right-hand corner. We're gonna add a device. And then we can actually look for this specific one by searching for the device, or there's a little camera scanner at the top right, and you can actually scan the code that is on the back of your device. Let's go ahead and just search for it this time. So as you can see, when I type in C30 Video Doorbell comes up. Let's click on this. And then from here, it's gonna ask us to scan the code that's on the back of this device. Okay, next we're gonna connect using the type of system that you have. We're just using Wi-Fi at this point. If you have a Homebase or Homebase Professional, you can select those devices. Let's click the top here. Now, this takes a micro SD card. If you don't have that, then you will not be able to do the recordings. I do have a micro SD card. I'm going to put that in. So we'll flip this guy around, and on the back here, you'll see this little slot. If I open it up, our SD card slot is on the bottom. We're going to insert our card face up like that. I'll just push it down. You then connect your Wi-Fi using the app, and we're going to push and hold this sync button for a couple seconds until we hear the beep. Now, the next part was kind of unique. You generate a QR code in the app, and then you hold this upside down over your phone about 8 inches or so, and that will recognize the QR code and then use that to connect to your Wi-Fi. You'll actually hear it speak, letting you know that things were successful. And that's it for the electronics side of things. This is now connected to the app. It's actually recording right now. So again, really nice, no hard wires needed, totally battery operated, and it's now connected. So we do need to mount this obviously on our front, and that's where all these pieces come into play. These are drill holes that allow us to drill the correct places to mount our bracket. Now you can do the bracket two ways. You can mount it straight and flush just like this, or if you turn this over and you put this on top here, this allows you an angle in either direction to mount it. As you can see, if it sets up against the wall like that, this is going to be angled in just a little bit, and that may give you a better view for where the camera needs to be looking. Now, just remember when you do this, it actually locks into place. And the only way to get this bracket off so you can put the screws in is to use this little key. This is actually one of those older SIM card keys that you may have seen with cell phones. And that's going to be found in your packet there. And then that you can push down into this little hole right here, and it will snap that piece right out. Now this is outside our front door where the old doorbell was. You can see I had to uncover things, pull out the two drywall, or in this case, stucco screws that were in there. I'm left with some wires, so I'm actually gonna have to either trim these or mount the unit just on the side of this and put these wires off to the side. I think I'm gonna cover this up though, just because it is a little bit ugly. Then we can use our template here to get things nice and straight. And then I'm gonna drill a couple holes where they should be. Just kind of put some pilot holes here. As you can see, we've got our two pilot holes right here. I'm just gonna drill now into the stucco. That should be enough for our drywall screws. Take our drywall anchor here, and I'm just gonna gently tap it into that stucco hole. So pay attention to a little label that says this side up, but as you can see, these are going to go right on to those drywall anchors like that. We'll just punch them in with our included screws. And that is on there pretty good. Now that's not crazy secure. Honestly, if somebody really wanted to, they could come in here and just yank this whole thing off. Again, it's tied to your account, but just so you're aware, there is a way that if a thief really wanted this thing, they could yank or use that pin up top to pull out your camera. Okay, finally, we'll take our camera here and I'm just going to snap it into place just like that, and voila. Now this doorbell is independent, meaning it doesn't come with a ring box that you put in your house. So the only ring you're gonna get is the one outside here, but it's pretty loud. Hopefully you can hear that. Again, fairly decent volume out here on the porch. Now, whether or not we're going to hear that from the farthest places in our house, I don't know. We may have to add an additional ring box later if it's difficult to hear this. But there you go, friends. That's the Eufy C30 doorbell with video camera. Pretty neat little experience here. It was a decent installation, took actually just a few minutes. And I think most people can walk through this themselves. Definitely a thumbs up from us. If you'd like to grab it for yourself, you can find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up. Stay tuned. We do a bunch of these little DIY installation review demo videos to help with your shopping experience. We'll see you again on the next one.